Ever spilled something on your couch and just panicked? Before you grab any old cleaner, stop. Your furniture has a secret code that tells you exactly how to clean it safely. Look for a tag, usually under a cushion, and you'll find a letter, W, S, SW, or XW means you can use water-based cleaners. Easy, S stands for solvent, so you need a special water-free solvent cleaner for that. SW is the flexible one. You can use either water or a solvent. And X, that means vacuum only. No water, no solvents, just a vacuum. Why does this matter? Using the wrong cleaner can ruin your furniture, causing spots, shrinkage, or fading. Following the code keeps your favorite pieces looking brand new for years. Always test a new cleaner on a hidden spot first, just in case. So next time there's a spill, check the code. It's the secret to stress-free cleaning. Follow for more quick home tips.